discover your future at one of Canada's top engineering schools. Biomedical engineers work at the cutting edge of technology and biological science to transform healthcare for all. SBME is a blueprint for the future of medicine, and we are training the leaders who will build that future. What programs or options are available? Biomedical engineering degrees at SBME are customizable to reflect the interdisciplinary and interconnected nature of engineering, medicine, and healthcare. Beginning in third year, you can specialize your technical electives, giving you an excellent background for a career in the ever-changing areas of industry, healthcare, or research. The SBME undergraduate program is composed of dedicated classes in second through fourth year, as well as specialized courses in first year access through the pre-biomedical engineering standardized timetable. The PBME STT is designed to provide organized access to courses that are prerequisites for the second year SBME program. What can you expect to do in your degree? SBME has many showcase features, such as the capstone and co-op programs. SBME has many partners within the life sciences sector. You'll have the opportunity to work and learn in labs of hospitals, clinics, companies, and more. There is also the SBME Propels program, which is a professional program with lunch and learn sessions throughout the year. What can I expect from my student experience? At SBME, there are several departmental and program teams and clubs. One of them being BME USA, which is the BME Undergraduate Student Association. You can find them online at www.ubcbiomed.com. This group organizes academic, social, and professional development events directed towards the undergraduates in the program. Another group is BEST. This stands for the Biomedical Engineering Student Team. You can find them on Instagram at UBC Best. It has 80 members across several departments working on multiple health-related projects. Additionally, we have Bionics. Bionics is a student team, and you can find them online at ubcbionics.com. It has 40 members across several departments and is dedicated to advancing student knowledge in the field of bionics. Additionally, we have several departmental and program student research opportunities. One of these being BMEG 490. This is a course that provides students with research experience carried out in the laboratory of a faculty member who acts as a superior. We also have the NSERC Undergraduate Student Research Awards. This award helps students gain research experience as they make their way towards their graduate studies. Thirdly, we have the SBME Synergy Summer Studentship Award. This program provides students with a chance to get hands-on research experience during the summer months and present at Synergy Research Day. Lastly, we have the I-Cord Summer Research Program for Indigenous Youth. This is a summer program that provides opportunities and mentorship for Indigenous youth interested in scientific research. What is the industry demand for biomedical engineering? In the last 10 years alone, the biomedical engineering sector has grown by a factor of 4. Companies and organizations in every single sphere of the field have risen and expanded demand for all BME specializations. The Industry Advisory Committee provides guidance that helps to align our education programs with the needs and trends of industry. What career options can I pursue from my degree? The heart of our interdisciplinary program is a unique blend of life sciences, engineering techniques, and cutting-edge technologies that students apply to current challenges of health and healthcare to transform healthcare for all. We're problem solvers. Biomedical engineers create new solutions to old problems and dream big about what we want the future of global healthcare to look like. Thank you for watching and listening to the SBME Open House Engineering video. We hope that this video provided some context about what the SBME department stands for and what it hopes to achieve.